In this part, we talk about the characters identifiers and also the quantifiers. The characters identifiers are just like this. If maybe we talk about this first. So for example, if in the previous lesson we learned that if you want to find whether there has this number as the substring, we can use the v.search, and you can see the positions. The span is from 19 to 31, and the match is this one. But if you change these phone numbers, you can see there are no matches here. So if you just want to get the phone numbers, or to check whether there is a phone number with this pattern, and what is this pattern is there are 3 digits and a dash, and then 3 digits and a dash, and then 4 digits. Then we can write like this, and instead of using the exact numbers, we can use /d, and because /d actually means the 1 digit from 0 to 9, so we can use /d 3 times, and then /d 3 times, and /d 4 times. And in order to indicate that this is a regular expression, we place the R, and it's just like fprint, but this time we use R. And then we can search whether there is something, maybe a phone numbers. So now you can see, even though we change these numbers, we can still get the match. And then we can get the numbers by using the x.group functions. Now you can see the phone numbers. And of course there are others character identifiers, like /w is the word characters. So for example, you can see the underscore is also a word character. So if you have /w 3 times, you can use the b_1, and there is also white space characters, and which is /s. And so if a/b/c, then you should get a, b, c. And the capitalized D and capitalized W and S, and actually this is opposite to the lowercase, because if this is a digit, then this is one character that is not digit. So this cannot be a numbers. So if this is a W, then this is the character that is not a word character. So it cannot be ABC, it can be a something like symbol, and so on. So if this is space, then the S is stand for space, then the /uppercase S, which means it's not a white space characters. Now we go to the quantifiers. The quantifiers, there are a few symbols. For example, the star means zeros or more. Plus means occur 1 or more times. A question mark means you can happen 1 time or happen no time. And 3, you can that is the number that you want. For example, this is from 3 to 5. So this is 3 times to 5 times. And if this is 2, then this is 2 to 5 times. If you just has 110 at the left side, which means this should be 10 or more times. And if this is 10, then the right side is 10, then this is at most 10 times. But if this is only have one number, then which means this is exactly 10 times. So what we can use is, instead of we type /d 3 times, we can just use /d, just paste the 3 with the curly bracket, and this means it will occur exactly 3 times, and this is occur exactly 4 times. So now we get the x. The x, we still have the same results, that we get the phone numbers which occur at the position 19 to 31. And then star, which means 0 or more times. So for example, the text is equal to humans, output woman and men and demons, and we want to find all the word that end with man. So because we do not know how many words right before the man, so we use the W star. So for example, this is star, and then we execute this. We will output all the human, woman, and also the unman. And now if you want to check one or more times, so for example, the digit occurred one or more times, so there are 3 is digit, 11 is digit, 1 is also digit, 6 is digit, and 2022 is also a digit. So we should get these 5 numbers. And actually, I think this can also go to change to W, because they are exactly the same result. Just if we have one more word is man, then because this is one, the word is one or more time, then this will not be included. But if this is using star, because it can happen 0 times, so this will include the man. Now the question mark is 1 or 0 times. So you can see the W, the S, the Mr. and Mrs. They are similar words, just there is a S here. So we can find that Mr. and Mrs. are the matches, because the S happened 1 or 0 times. So if you want to check exactly 3 to 5 times, so for example, if we want to check whether we just want to extract those A happen from 3 to 5 times. So now we go to check the X. You can see this is 3 times, 4 times, and 5 times. And 3 or more times, if you do this, use the same test, you can output from 3, 4, 5, and etc. So you get the X is starting from 3 A's, 4 A's, and then go to more A's. So if this is at most 3 times, so it will go from here and to here. So with those more than 3A, it will not be included in the in this result. And sometimes we will want to use the pattern again and again. So for example, if you just want to find out those numbers with 3 digits, and you can use the pattern is we.compile, and then we use the pattern to find all the text 1. So now you may see there are some result that is unexpected, because you may want to not include this one because this is not 3 digits, but this include 3 digits here, so it will also included in this result. So in order to fix this, we have to use the word boundary, the /b, to paste right before and also at the end of the 3 digits. So we do it again. Now it will not include those 543 and also not include the ignitex, so it will not include these two. Now we use this pattern to find the result in another test. So now this time you can use the pattern again. So this is why we use this v.compile. Now we can still see the 3 digits will be extracted to this result.